Hatch Renovations provides a bespoke interior selection service and efficient project management of any renovation, no matter the size. Offering a fresh, passionate and collaborative approach, we are an all-women team that adds a personalised touch to the whole renovation process. From the first design idea to the completed renovation, we will be with you every step of the way. From guiding you through the selection process to liaising with trades during construction, Hatch Renovations make the process easy. If you're beginning to think about renovating or can't wait to start, get in touch with Hatch Renovations for your free preliminary in-home consultation.